What is your biggest why? Magandang araw sa inyo lahat. Ako si Pao ng Ang Ligaya ng Panginoon Community. Welcome sa Pathways of Hope Special Season of Promise. I took care of my parents until their very last breath. Let me tell you my story. Ako po yung pinakabata sa 4 na magkakapatid. So, pinaka-convenient talaga na ako yung mag-supervise sa mga tumatanda kong magulang. Kung may choice po ako, isa lang talaga. Tanggapin ang responsibilidad ng buong puso. Sa totoo lang, ayoko. Bata pa po kasi ang aking pamilya. Habang yung mga kapatid ko, patapos na o tapos na sa responsibilidad. Imagine this, 7 years of serving them. From bringing them to the hospital, preparing their meals, feeding them, giving them bath, sleepless nights, even changing their diapers. I did it. Isama mo pa dyan yung dumaan tayong lahat sa panahon ng pandemya. Uulitin ko, mahirap. In fairness to my siblings, they helped me fund my parents' needs. Kasi malayo at may ginagawa sila. Pero the rest, sa akin talaga nakatoka eh. Bigla ako nakarelate dun sa sitwasyon ng unang anak na tumanggi muna sa kanyang ama, tapos biglang nagbago yung kanyang isip nang siya'y magnilay-nilay. Ito ay galing sa pagbasa mula sa mabuting balita na galing kay Matthew 21:28-32. On hindsight, why did I do such things? My answer in one word, love. Mahal ko sila eh. It was my way of expressing gratitude to my parents. It was also God's way of allowing me to experience grace in the middle of challenges and the joy of serving them until their very last breath. Even hearing their last words, mahal kita at malakas ka kay Lord. Kapatid, habang papalapit na ng papalapit ang Kapaskuhan, ating alalahanin ang tunay na diwa nito, na may isang Diyos na pinili ang kanyang biggest why. Why did He had to leave heaven to be with us humans? Ang sagot niya lang simple. So He can save us from our sins and to go home with Him in heaven one day. And His greatest joy would be that all of us will attend the biggest reunion of all His creations. This Advent season, I am inviting you to have a moment of silence. No phones, no gadgets, just a pen and a paper or notebook. Just you and God, alone. Dadalhin natin dito sa conversation na to yung lahat ng concerns natin. Isama mo na rin ang napakaraming bagay na dapat nating ipagpasalamat. For we were able to go through this year with grace abounding. My dear friends, have a grace-filled Advent and Christmas season to all. God bless. Kung kayo po ay na-bless itong simpleng reflection na to, please like, share, and subscribe Pathways of Hope at Landas ng Pag-asa sa inyong social media accounts, Facebook, YouTube, Spotify, at Instagram. Muli ako si Pao na nagsasabing, give this as a gift to your friends. Share this video. Tandaan natin ang mabuting balitang ibinahagi, pag-asang dulot sa nakararami. God bless.